What's going on? If you've ever wanted to learn how to make money online, I'm going to teach you how to rip it off the internet. Stick around. After coaching literally thousands of students, people from all walks of life that want to learn how to make money online, this is the greatest step-by-step tutorial I know how to give you. This is how I work with amazing clients that I love. I call them subject matter experts. And if you stick around, I've got a special bonus that I'm going to hide in the middle of this video somewhere. I'm going to give you access to the first week of my 8-week program that costs $4,000. Step 1, pick a niche. You've probably heard that before. Doesn't matter. That's real. That's what you have to do. Pick something that you're interested in. If I told you you had to get up every day 10 years from now and still talk to business owners in that niche, would you be excited to get out of bed? If the answer is not yes, pick a different niche. Could be a hobby you have. We have hobbies for a reason. They fit our personality. They excite us. Choose a niche that's in your hobby. That's the best of both worlds. There are 3 pillars to this business that I'm teaching you right now. Pillar number 1, prospecting. There are a number of ways that I teach you in the program, and you're actually going to get one in week 1, probably my favorite one, on how to prospect, how to reach out to these potential clients of yours and how to get them as clients. Pillar number 2, sales. Sales comes in a 2-part process. An intro call has what we call the perfect script. You're simply asking questions. Then the demo presentation. You're showing them what is possible if they hire you. Pillar number 3, fulfillment. You're going to run paid ads to simple funnels. I feel like my camera is out of focus. That will generate a lot of revenue for your clients, which in turn will make you revenue, because what I do with my subject matter experts is revenue share. I'm going to let the cat out of the bag here and show you my actual pricing strategy. These are the 3 options I give all of my clients before we start working together. Option number 1, $9,600 setup fee, 10% commission on all sales after we launch. Option number 2, $7,500 setup fee, 15% after... My hat keeps falling down. My students know that I have a mantra: done is better than perfect. We're going to keep going. Option number 3, $4,800 setup fee, 20% moving forward. I hope and pray they take that last option, because the $4,800, not that big a deal. It's nice to get a setup fee. My family has to eat. My team has to eat. I would much rather make the lower amount up front, because the revenue share on the back end could be millions of dollars. That has happened. I went with one particular client, went with the lower option, $4,800 setup fee and a 20% on the back end. We did a live webinar funnel. Obviously, I teach you how to do all this stuff in Subject Matter Expert Academy, but that live webinar funnel generated $700,000 in just 2 weeks. Do the math on the commission. One of the major things that you have to make this all work is a strong mindset. I actually give you mindset training, my personal affirmations, all in this free week 1. Here's the link you want to go to. I'm not putting this in the description so you can click on it. You need to just type it into your address bar and you get week 1 for free. If you want weeks 2 plus 8, group call every single week, you can actually join the program. Dip your toe in first with this free week before you want to dive in. Evan, are there enough clients out there? YouTube has over 500,000 channels with at least 10,000 subscribers. That's a great starting point. Here's the 3 criteria I look for in a subject matter expert. At least 10,000 subscribers on YouTube or followers on other platforms. Number 2, they got to be charismatic. Well, if they generated 10,000 subs already, they are charismatic. People want to follow them online. I have clients with several 100,000 subscribers, which is amazing, because when I make a product for them and I put it in the funnel and we have a great offer, a lot of money comes in from their already warmed up audience. I'm just coming in and I'm tapping into it. I'm becoming that middleman between my client and their potential buyers. You will be amazed at the number of YouTubers, successful YouTube channels, that don't have a funnel. They're not selling anything. They just get on YouTube. They're happy with making $5,000 to $10,000 a month in ad revenue, but they're leaving tons of money on the table. You get to come in, productize their services, productize their knowledge, and make a fortune on the back end because of that rev share agreement. I give you the contracts, the agreements. I teach you how to build funnels. I do everything in Subject Matter Expert Academy. Again, this link on the screen, that is for a free week 1. You can see what it's all about, decide whether or not you want to take the next step. And I'll see you in the next video, whenever that is. I'm going to be doing some traveling, doing some fun stuff with the family. Family of 7 now. Those that know me know why that's happening and know why I probably haven't been posting too much online because of that. I love y'all. Peace out.